The charts are telling a bullish signal for stocks. We're joined now by Jeff deGraaf. He's chairman of Renaissance Macro. It's good to see you, Cowboy.
Good to see you, Scott. Thank you.
Nice backdrop.
I'll tell you, if you're coming out west, don't come to ski. I'll tell you, it's better to suntan than it is to ski this year. So
I heard actually there was no snow, but there's beauty. That is for darn sure.
Indeed.
All right, so I painted this as a bullish signal in the charts for stocks. How so?
Well, look, I think there's a couple things that are happening that's bullish, and the first is that real yields are contracting off of the inflation print last week, and I think one thing that investors historically underestimate, even though certainly it's on their radar, is just the importance of inflation. Inflation is far more important than growth, and so a contraction in inflation, if we're going in that direction from the trajectory of the data last week, certainly sets up bullishly for 2026. So we're hopeful. We're not in the zone yet where it's really a lock, but certainly the trajectory is going in the right direction, and we're hopeful that is the tailwind for 2026.
You know, when gold had been going up so consistently, it made people nervous. Like, what's the message in that? Is it something to be worried about? You're suggesting that global metals looking good is a bullish sign. Are you talking about another record today, for example, in gold and silver? Are you talking about those as well as some others?
Yeah, it's everything, Scott. And I'll be honest with you, in terms of squaring that with the inflation picture, I'm not sure, we totally understand what exactly is going on with that narrative. But I would say look at aluminum, look at steel, look at copper, obviously look at gold, silver, look at palladium. They're all bullish breakouts, and most of them are just coming out of these big bases. So I think there's more to go there. Certainly, I think it's as much about most likely what we're seeing from an improvement in global activity. And you hit the nail on the head, which is these are global in nature. This isn't just Freeport breaking out. In fact, I'd say Freeport's one of the laggards. We're seeing a lot of bullish breakouts in China. We're seeing it in Europe. And obviously, we're seeing some of those here in the U.S. as well.
You know, software has been an underperformer. We talk about it all the time because of the relationship that it has, not only in the AI trade, but to the, underperforming relative to semis, for example. It still looks bad, according to you.
Yeah, it does. We had, confirmation. We had a bearish signal that took place back in July, and we had confirmation of that this last week. And, I know all the news circling around Oracle, but it's far greater than that. And so, until we can see the whites of their eyes that we think that there's some type of pause or some bottom forming there, we're just staying away from those names. And I think refreshingly, the semiconductors have stayed firm. They look good. Comm equipment names look really, really good. They're actually leadership in the tech space. So we'd focus our efforts there. But it's also an interesting message because we're seeing exactly the same thing, not just in tech, but we're seeing it in everything, where I can show you charts that are actually outright bearish, not relative laggards, but just outright bearish charts. And I can show you at the same time outright bullish charts within the same sector. That's everything from discretionary to industrials to tech to staples and the like. So it's really a bifurcated market. I don't think that's bad, but certainly there's opportunities on both sides.
What's Bitcoin telling you? It's, it hasn't looked good, to say the least. But what do you think the charts are saying?
Well, I think all the crypto's under pressure. Bitcoin's actually the best one out of all of them. So, we keep our eye on that. Obviously, it's a little bit more established. Look, you broke the qualitative uptrend line. I think that's bad news. The 50-day crossed into the 200-day. You have to take some artistic license to call it an uptrend still. So we think at best it's a neutral trend. We'd actually put it in the downtrend camp. The good news is the ETF flows, as we've seen them and as we measure them, have gotten excessive outflows, I should say. And so usually you find some type of relief on a very tactical basis there. So I think we're set up for a decent year-end rally in Bitcoin. I don't think it trades much higher than 100,000, if we can even get that. And we'll be using that as an opportunity to lighten up on positions and frankly, get short some of those.